One is that one of your grievances before you left the PDP is that your region doesn't look like it's well taken care of, and you are not at home with the way and manner things are. Just quickly, it does look like you are being well treated in APC, are you?
Very well treated. You see, in APC, we governors, we respect ourselves. Mr. President respect us. The party executives, they respect us. Things are discussed, very democratically discussed, and issues are agreed upon. There is no headmaster, there are no teachers, there are no pupils, so it's a give and take. And then, fairness and justice to party members, from the top to the bottom. So we're happy, and we're happy with the leadership of the caretaker chairman, the secretary, and all members of this committee that are doing very wonderful work. People are just worried because of the great work we're doing, and a lot of people are coming into AP. So they just feel that they can distract, the beautiful work that the chairman is doing. But I don't think it is possible, because the constitution of the party is very clear.
All right. Okay, this is on the final note, and perhaps quickly too, Governor, maybe in 20 seconds. The hope of the Southeast and the Igbos becoming a governor, a president of Nigeria in 2023, how bright is it in the APC? Is it guaranteed already? Just quick one.
It's in the hand of God.
But God is not a member of your party.
He is. He directs our face. He gives bread to every man. So our power belongs to God. So whatever thing we wish, we come true only through God. If God says yes, no one can say no.
Well, Governor Umahi just suddenly turned spiritual with us this evening, but it's good to know God, it's good to serve God. But we were hoping and see whether truly the God of the PDP or the God of APC, which one will answer the prayers come 2023. Thank you so much, Governor Umahi, for joining us tonight on the program. I appreciate your time.
Yeah, thank you very much. God bless you. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Because nobody that means well for this country will stand up in the National Assembly and say, look, I vote against e-transmission of results. What are you hiding? Why not say yes, go ahead, Electoral Commission, whatever you require for us to support you on this. National Assembly is willing to do it. And that's why I said to Mr. President, you had said, and that's why you said, look, your respect for Mr. Jonathan, the former president of the country, is because when he saw that he lost or he was losing and that there was no hope, he called you and congratulated you before INEC even declared the result. And two, if Jonathan had not or did not believe in the transparency of the election, he would not have allowed a candidate to be used. Right? So he introduced the candidate as a sitting president, knowing fully well that that could be an albatross to him. But he said, no, I want us to move to the next level where there should be some confidence that now we are getting it right. So having done that, I thought what Mr. President ought to do to build on that. To say, look, members of National Assembly, my party, we have to show that what we say, we mean it. And how do we do that? All of you must go to the National Assembly as the leader of the party to tell Nigerians that, look, we are not just preaching. We are preaching and we are implementing what we are preaching. God, Mr. President has said he wants to hand over a free and fair, credible election. What makes a free, fair, credible election? One of it is transparency. And therefore, I hear if you're amending the Electoral Act, one thing you must do for me for Nigerians to believe in me is to say, vote yes for elections to be transmitted electronically. For me, Mr. President cannot tell us that sincerely he wants to hand over to Nigeria and he wants to conduct a free, fair, credible election. Let nobody deceive you. It is very clear that there's no such intention at all.